This is the first room of Santiam SnoLab, and this is where all the design process, whether it be aesthetic or the performance design, is done on this computer station here. Over here is our cutting station. This area was specifically designed so that we could cut our fiberglass or carbon materials to the appropriate length at this station.
Custom, unique, one of one. That's what Santiam SnoLab promises your skis or snowboard will be if you work with them.
This is a cassette that is going to create the rocker shape of the individual snowboard that is being made today.
And I don't mean work with them like you tell them your height and weight and that you like flowers for graphics and then they go and do the rest. I mean work with them, side by side, shoulder to shoulder, in their workshop.
There are places that I know of where you can have somebody build you a custom set of skis, but as far as I know, we are the only place that I know of, especially right on in a ski resort, where you can build your own custom skis and snowboards, custom performance, custom aesthetics.
I forgot to mention that their workshop just might be in the coolest location ever.
How can you beat this? I mean, I'm looking out at Hoodoo's main chair, the green chair. I can see Blue Valley. Today is a beautiful bluebird day. People are snowboarding in front of me. You cannot beat this view.
Is that something you might be interested in? You can literally watch skiers and boarders coming down the slopes of Hoodoo while you're working on making your own skis or board. Synergy at its finest.
We have really hardcore ski and snowboard enthusiasts that are looking for a very specific performance setup. And we also have people that just want to get their favorite animals put on their snowboard or a set of skis. So young and old alike, we have all sorts of people come through our doors.
Hank Goolidge is the department manager at Santiam SnoLab, and he and his team will hold your hand through the entire process.
Most people they can't even believe that they're building their own, snowboard or their own skis. And just watching people's realization of, wow, I can't believe that I'm doing something so complex and I'm doing it right here myself with some help, So I think that's the best part, is the human interaction. This is a convertible jig that can be set up to make both skis and snowboards in one day. That client will come, typically our start time is at 8:30, and if all goes well, in one day, you will yourself build about 80% of your project with us standing next to you giving you a hand. We actually cut these by hand with routers, and we use this as our guide.
The SnoLab is open year-round, works with all ages and all skill levels.
Put this clamp on it so that you can get to it like that, all right? And now put the next one right about here. And another one right about there. It surprises everyone how much effort and science that is involved in what you put on your feet to go and play in the snow. And yeah, it kind of alters the way somebody thinks about how they go skiing and snowboarding for the rest of their lives, whether they're on a Santiam SnoLab piece of equipment or not. You're always going to remember the process that you went through to build your own custom skis or snowboard.
So whether you're someone who likes to buy experiences, or you're in the other camp, like to buy things, Santiam SnoLab has got you covered.
A lot of people come in here and they're like, how much does that snowboard cost, right? But I kind of see it the other way. It's the experience in the workshop that you're really buying. And the snowboard, that's the souvenir of the experience that you have that you'll never forget.
At the base of Hoodoo, Eric Lindstrom, Central Oregon Daily News.